Namaskar, children. Today we are going to start the chapter Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Animals as well as human beings can reproduce only after a certain age or time period in their life after growing up into an adult. This is because of changes in hormones which are released in the body, which make them capable of reproduction. In this figure, you can see different stages of growth of human being is shown. As you can see, egg and sperm fuse together, and this is how a baby is born. Now, the age at which reproductive organs become functional is known as the age of puberty. So, what is adolescence? It is a time period in life when the body leads to reproductive maturity and experiences some changes. This time period may vary in different individuals. The adolescence period includes the teen age mostly, and therefore adolescents are Adolescent period in boys begins at the age of around 11 years and ends at the age around 18 or 19 years. In girls, it begins at the age around 10 or 12, 10 or 11 years and ends at age around 18 or 19 years. But as I have said earlier, that it can vary from individual to individual, so it can be 1 or 2 years earlier or late depending on the individual's growth. During the age of puberty, various changes takes place in body of boys and girls, like increase in height, change in body shape, change in voice, increased activity of sweat gland and sebaceous gland, development of sex organs, reaching mental, intellectual, and emotional maturity. So, these are some changes which teenagers can observe during puberty. Sudden increase in height is the most conspicuous change which is observed during puberty. Initially, girls grow faster than boys, but by the age of 18 years or so, both reach their maximum height. But it depends from individual to individual, so it can vary also. During adolescence, changes in body shape take place. These changes are different in boys and girls. The boys develop broader shoulders and wider chest, while girls, the region below the waist become wider. Body muscles grow more in boys as compared to girls. During puberty, the voice of boys starts cracking and their voice box or larynx starts to grow. So, the increase in the size of voice box in boys is seen as a protruding part in the neck. This protruding part is known as Adam's apple. Moreover, girls will usually have high pitched voice while boys have low pitched voice. During puberty, there is an increased secretion of sweat gland and oil gland or sebaceous glands. It is because of the increased secretion that many young people get acne or pimples on their faces. Though reproductive organs are present even in infant stages, but they reach maturity and complete development during puberty. Testes and ovaries start producing sperms and eggs respectively. So testes produce male gamete called sperm, ovaries produces female gamete called ovum. Apart from these, size of penis increases in boys and development of breast takes place in girls. We observe many emotional and mental changes during this age of puberty. Brain becomes more active and so more learning takes place. Mental and intellectual maturity is now let us summarize all the changes which are observed during the age of adolescence or puberty. Skin gets oilier in boys as well as in girls. In boys, shoulder become wide and facial hair start growing. Hair under the arms start growing in girls as well as in boys. Pubic hairs start growing in girls and in boys. In boys, penis get longer and wider and testes get larger. Neck, chest, and leg muscles get bigger and stronger in case of boys. In girls, hair under the arm, hip bones become wider, pubic hair start growing, weight gain on the hip, and we can say the waist area becomes broader. Leg muscles get bigger and stronger in female.